Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing top of sure teach virus 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Milky Way 3. It's a multitasking tweak for iOS 14. So it's the most advanced tweak for multitasking. Allows you to multi-window mode, resizing each window, minimizing windows, open an app as a window from 3D touch, camera support, simultaneous use of the camera, multiple apps not allowed, FaceTime is not supported yet. So it's a modern desktop OS. You can play a game, have other apps open at the same time, or even control tap other apps at the same time. So you watch the video on it to see exactly what it does before you actually buy it. $2.50, which is literally nothing much money at all for a tweak. And also does support the developer, and you get a good tweak out of it. So it's a win-win. And some screenshots of it. This tweak is called CPU Tool and CPU Tool Ultra Battery Saving Tweak. It's the first CPU GPU underclocking tweak. So it pretty much tells you, I gotta add the Havoc repo, but pretty much tells you what tweaks are using the most CPU or GPU, which pretty much tells you what tweaks are using up your most battery. I don't have Reprovision Reborn. What is that? It's also Havoc repo, that's why. Which I gotta add that repo. But Reprovision Reborn allows you to restart your applications on your device. So it's more like the more updated version since Matt Clark stopped updating Reprovision, the original one. I still use the original Reprovision, which is fine for me, but the Reprovision Reborn is from a different developer and it gets updated more frequently. But one of my favorite tweaks, because I use it for the Unc0ver app. If you have Checkra1n Jailbreak, it's kind of useless because you use your computer anyway to re-jailbreak. But for Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Odyssey, Electra, any jailbreak that requires using the app to put yourself back in jailbroken status, you just sign it, and while you're in a jailbroken status on just using your device, it's kind of like save path on your device. That's what Reprovision is. And then when you go out of a jailbreak mode and you're out of jailbreaking mode, then as long as you have a sign, it will still allow you to open up your jailbroken app to re-jailbreak. This is called lock screen hidden button, and hides flashlight and camera buttons from the lock screen. This is called Fletchlets and supports iOS 9 to 14, mainly using the application in Springboard called the debugging tool Flets. So it's debug of iOS applications. This is called QQ. So I think it says here on here, QQ verification, clean QQ for you. This is called Eris, disabled tap-in on notifications for 0.8 seconds to avoid accidental taps. This is called Arizona, and moves the stock clock, date, and lock left on the fly. This is called Astrid, and silly multitasking, quickly switch between recently used apps and style. You have these features, elements, haptics, activation and deactivation, quick actions, other options. This is called Aurora, revamped iOS alarms. This is called AV Photos, and play photos, apps, videos, and AV player view controller. This week is a theme or a widget called Background Art, shows you're currently playing media on the lock screen and home screen. And last week is called AV Tools for AV Player, your rotation button, and custom skip instead of 15 seconds. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.